Hello guys, welcome back, and this is sketch number 6 for today, so we'll just get to it. So I have used once again good speed, geometric and observational methods to capture these sketches, and the sketching time is getting I was about to say smaller, speedier each week. So this week I have now started sketching less than 4 minutes. Last week and the previous week, when I started this learning method, was 4 minutes in total with a minute to summarise. So this actually took 3 minutes and 30 seconds, I believe. Number 2 took 3 minutes and number 3 took 3 minutes. So yeah, so they're getting speedier each now that the skills are kind of established, and I am getting all the proportions and the lines all not mastered, but that I'm definitely not mastered, definitely not, but I am more comfortable with them and becoming more confident with the methods in place. So number 1 is probably between number 1 and number 2 is actually the closest to the original reference photo from the photo I used to create this sketch. Number 3 is like what the original sketches that I used to do, except with less lines. It's just a little bit too cartoonish in my opinion. The nose is all wrong as well, and the lips are far too big. So this one, I knew that I had gone wrong, especially the fact that it was basically the old way that I used to sketch. But number 1 and number 2, as I said, is the closest to the reference, and I'm just really happy at the fact that my skills are improving and gaining more kind of, try to think of the word, basically I'm gaining more confidence, and I can see the improvements each sketch and each week as I go. If I'm rambling or stopping and pausing, I'm really sorry. I am trying to think what I'm trying to say, and I think I'm just feeling a little bit more repetitive as sketches go, and I don't actually know if anybody new is watching these, but if you let me know what you think, what methods you would use, and if you are actually using these methods as well, if you'd like me to go into more detail, please let me know, and I shall see you next time. Thanks guys!